In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix an existing project in Lovable. Whether you're looking to add your own flair to a community project or simply want to personalize something that already captures your interest, this guide will show you exactly how to do that with ease. First things first, let's get you to the right starting point. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the website lovable.dev. If you haven't been here before, Lovable is a vibrant platform where creative projects come to life, often building on what others have started. It's a great environment for collaboration and inspiration. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, you'll see various sections dedicated to projects and creativity. Now, to find projects created by others in the Lovable community, you'll want to head over to the community section. Typically, it's easy to spot as it features a wealth of fascinating projects that have already been developed by users just like you. Take a moment to browse through these projects. You might be surprised by the creativity and innovation you encounter. After spending some time browsing, and once you've found a project that intrigues you, it's time to make it your own. Select the project you want to remix by clicking on it. This will bring up the project details, allowing you to explore its current design and functionality. Here's where the fun begins. When you're ready to start creating your version, look for the button labeled Remix. This feature is a powerful tool. With just a click, you can open up the project in a mode that allows you to edit and customize it to your heart's content. Once you've clicked Remix, it's as if the project canvas is being handed over to you. You can now introduce your own ideas, make improvements, or alter the project's aesthetics and functionality according to your vision. Have fun experimenting with different elements, shapes, colors, or features, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Lovable encourages experimentation and creativity, making it the perfect platform to test new ideas and stretch your creative muscles. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about what you find exciting or aesthetically pleasing. Perhaps your remix will inspire others in the community, sparking a continuous chain of creativity. That's it. In just a few steps, you've taken a project and infused it with your unique style. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and enjoy the process. With Lovable, the possibilities are nearly endless and every project is a chance to continue the flow of innovation. Thanks for watching and happy remixing!